Welcome, explorers, to the captivating city of Hong Kong, a bustling port city that never sleeps. From its stunning skyline to its vibrant street markets, Hong Kong offers a kaleidoscope of experiences waiting to be discovered. Hong Kong, a special administrative region of China, is known for its deep natural harbour and impressive skyline, adorned with towering skyscrapers. This city is a unique blend of East and West, offering a cultural mosaic that's hard to match. What language do they speak? The official languages of Hong Kong are Chinese, primarily Cantonese, and English. English is widely spoken, especially in business and tourist areas, making it easier for travelers to navigate the city. Is it safe to travel? Absolutely. Hong Kong is considered one of the safest cities in the world for tourists. However, like any major city, it's wise to stay vigilant and keep an eye on your belongings. What is the main religion that's practiced? Well, Hong Kong is a melting pot of religions, with Buddhism, Taoism, and Christianity being the most practiced. You'll find an array of temples, churches, and mosques scattered across the city. A culinary adventure awaits. Hong Kong is a paradise for food lovers. So what food is it known for? From the world-renowned dim sum to the savoury Peking duck, the city's culinary offerings are diverse and delectable. Don't miss trying the famous egg tarts and pineapple buns for a sweet treat. Iconic attractions abound. What is it known for? The city is famous for its breathtaking skyline, best viewed from Victoria Peak. Take a ride on the historic Star Ferry for a unique perspective of the city and explore the bustling Temple Street night market for an authentic local experience. Climate and weather. What's the climate and weather like year-round? Well, Hong Kong enjoys a subtropical climate with hot, humid summers and mild, dry winters. Typhoon season typically occurs between May and November, so, plan your trip accordingly. Fun facts and travel tips. Did you know Hong Kong has the highest number of skyscrapers in the world? Or that it's home to the world's longest covered escalator system, the mid-levels escalator? Unique travel tip. Skip the taxis and opt for the trams. These double-decker trams are not only economical, but offer a charming way to see the city. And don't forget to try the local street food. From fish balls to stinky tofu, Hong Kong's street vendors serve up some of the most exciting flavors. Local secrets and hidden gems. To truly experience Hong Kong like a local, venture beyond the typical tourist spots. Head to Lamma Island for a relaxing day trip. Known for its hiking trails, seafood restaurants, and laid-back atmosphere, it's a favorite escape for city dwellers. Visit the Lin Nunnery and Nan Lian Garden in Diamond Hill. This tranquil oasis in the middle of the city offers a serene escape with traditional Chinese architecture and meticulously maintained gardens. Shopping and markets. Hong Kong is a shopper's paradise. Besides the high-end malls, don't miss the ladies' market in Mong Kok, where you can find everything from fashion to souvenirs at bargain prices. For a unique shopping experience, visit the Cat Street Market in Sheung Wan, known for its antiques and curios. Cultural insights. Hong Kong's cultural scene is vibrant and diverse. Catch a performance at the Hong Kong Cultural Centre or explore the local art scene at the PMQ, which now houses studios, galleries and boutiques. Local etiquette and customs. When visiting Hong Kong, be mindful of local customs. For instance, it's considered polite to pour tea for others before yourself when dining in a group. Also, tipping is not customary in local eateries, but is appreciated in higher-end restaurants and hotels. More fun facts. Hong Kong means fragrant harbour in Cantonese. The city has one of the highest life expectancies in the world. Hong Kong International Airport is built on an artificial island. The Tsing Ma Bridge, one of the longest suspension bridges, is located here. Hong Kong Disneyland is the smallest Disneyland in the world, but packed with unique attractions. Transportation tips. Getting around Hong Kong is a breeze thanks to its efficient public transport system. The Octopus Card is a must-have for convenient travel on buses, ferries, and the MTR, which stands for Mass Transit Railway. For a scenic ride, take the Peak tram to Victoria Peak or the Ngong Ping 360 cable car to the Big Buddha on Lantau Island. Conclusion. Hong Kong is a city that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. Whether you're exploring its bustling streets, savoring its culinary delights, or enjoying its natural beauty, Hong Kong promises an unforgettable adventure. Near the middle of the video, if you're enjoying this journey through Hong Kong, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button for more travel adventures. Join us as we uncover more of Hong Kong's hidden gems and must-see spots. From its rich cultural heritage to its modern marvels, there's always something new to explore in this dynamic city.